Why is the speed of light always constant for everyone? Imagine you're in a spaceship zooming through space, and you turn on a flashlight. No matter how fast you're going or where you are in the universe, the light from that flashlight always travels at the same speed. Sounds strange, right? But this is a key fact about our universe that scientists have confirmed time and again. The speed of light in a vacuum is about 299,790,458 meters per second, and it never changes, no matter who measures it or how fast they are moving. This idea might seem simple, but it actually tells us a lot about how the universe works. First, light speed is a universal constant. If you throw a ball forward on a moving train, its speed adds to the train's speed. But with light, it doesn't work that way. No matter if you're standing still or running alongside a beam of light, you will measure it moving at exactly the same speed. This was proven in experiments in the late 1800s, where scientists saw no change in light speed as Earth moved through space. This constant speed is built into the very fabric of space and time. Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity, introduced in 1905, was based on this idea. It showed that space and time are connected and can stretch or shrink depending on how fast you're moving. But the speed of light stays the same for everyone, no matter what. Light is made of tiny particles called photons. These particles have no mass, which is why they always travel at this fixed speed in a vacuum. If photons had mass, their speed could change depending on how fast you're moving. But because they don't, their speed remains constant everywhere. The speed of light also sets a cosmic speed limit. Nothing with mass or information can go faster than light. This rule keeps cause and effect in order, so events happen in the same sequence for everyone. If objects could go faster than light, it could cause time to run backward, which would mess up how we understand cause and effect. The speed of light is so important that the meter, the basic unit of length, is defined by how far light travels in a tiny fraction of a second. This makes the speed of light an exact and changing number by agreement. In everyday life, this means that light from a flashlight, the sun, or a star all travels at the same speed, no matter how fast you're moving or where you are. This fact helps us understand how time, space, and motion work together. It also influences technology like GPS satellites, which need to account for relativity to give us accurate location data. So, the reason the speed of light is always the same for everyone comes down to it being a fundamental property of the universe. It is tied to the very nature of space, time, and light itself. This simple fact is actually the backbone of modern physics and helps explain how everything in the universe is connected.